Morning, kindergarten friends. I have to say, I never really thought that I would be teaching you from home, but here we are. I missed you guys already so much. But here we go. We're gonna do a letter sound drill just like we do every day. And I'm gonna hold up the cards. I'm gonna say the letter and sound with you, and hopefully you can do it right along with me from home. So here we go. V, van, v. K, kite, k. Do it with me. Z, zebra, z. Make sure you're making your mouth in the right way, just like we do in school. R, rat, I, itch, I. M, man, X, fox, x. N, nut, n. L, lamp, ol. F, fun, f. T, top, t. J, jug, j. P, pan, p. W, wind, w. A, apple, a. H, hat, h. E, ed, eh. G, game, g. U, up, Y, yellow, y. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. S, snake, s. O, octopus, ah. Now we're going to do our digraphs. Remember, a digraph is two letters that make one sound. So here are some of our digraphs that we have learned so far. CH, chin, ch. QU, queen, qu. SH, ship, sh. TH has two sounds, a soft sound and a buzzy sound. So TH, the soft, is th, like thumb, and buzzy is v, like feather. Okay? And then we have NG, ring, okay? So thanks for watching my letter sound drill today. I want you guys to do a letter sound drill every single day to keep up your practice. Thanks, friends. Bye.